Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, guys, and you see it, the Bentley, it's here. Gold grill, gold feet. My boy Kodak said, Jeremy, make something nice, make something pop. And I said, I got you. We're gonna take this black Bentley, we're gonna put Forgiatos on it. Why not? You need Forgiatos. Let's go gold. Gold Forgiatos, built for this car, perfect setup, perfect stance. I'm not a detailer, I don't wash cars, but I give it a little wipe down real fast. But listen, I'm telling you guys, it's sitting right, it's sitting perfect. He gave me an opportunity on this one. I did an opportunity before on his Tesla. I got another one for his donk. I appreciate the opportunity, brother, and networking, man. This car came out bad. I can't wait for you guys to see the next one. It's about to drop soon, and you'll check it out soon. Coast to Coast, back at it. We're gonna take it for a little ride. We gotta make sure when he's driving on the highway, we don't get any vibration, any swaying or anything, any pulling. So we have to make sure it's driving A1, and so far we're good, man. This is a nice driving vehicle, smooth. We know a Bentley is a very, very, very heavy vehicle, a lot of weight. So you have to make sure your tires can withstand the weight of the vehicle because they're heavy. They're heavy vehicles. They're built solid. Bentleys are built solid, man. So you have to make sure it rides really, really good, real smooth. He wants to hit the highway. He wants to drive the vehicle, you know, no problems. That's what it's supposed to be. Not all the vehicles are just for show, man. These vehicles have to be driven, have to be comfortable, you know? And that's it, man. That's what we do here. Coast to Coast, get them right, man, always. Try to get them right. And so they make them, the vehicles right, man. No problem, no pulling, no swaying, nothing. Just cruising. Beautiful car. Big car. It's a big, big, big car. And a heavy car. I think he should be good. Make sure people ain't jumping out in the middle of the street. It's a Bentley, they might want to jump out, you know, you never know, these guys are wild out there. Someone told me about them, they said they're jumpers. I'm like, what are you talking about? Oh yeah, they jump in front of your car. That'd be crazy, man, people are crazy out there. I appreciate you guys, man, thank you for always checking in with us. And when we're dropping something new, Coast to Coast, back at it.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell him run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell him run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell him run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell him run it up. 9 out of 10, roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me.
Yeah, man. Check out the caddy. Putting these 28s in the Cadillac. Let's check it out, make sure it's right. Boy, you guys playing with Forgiatos. Can't go wrong, man. 28 Forgiatos. Tiffany blue right there. You see the Tiffany blue on the calipers.
Number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady.
Hey, listen, man. You need a tire, you need rims, man. You gotta check my boys Coast to Coast, man. Jason or German, they gonna get you right, man. I was in and out less than an hour, got some food, came back, my car was ready, man. Y'all boys slipping, man. Coast to Coast Customs, #1.
Thank you, fam.
fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital. Go, go, go. Digital, digital. Digital, digital. The cash digital, digital. The dash digital. Run it up. Digital, digital. Digital, digital. Stepping like Marty McFly. Stepping, I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend. Only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold.
26-inch Tahoe like Sonny Matisse. With just the machine tips.
Great.
Six series, Quattroporte, 22-inch Forgiatos, custom two-tone, coast-to-coast customs. Range Rover on the Ruchis with the floating caps. 24s. Got my guy to come out, hand painting his logos. Range Rover. Coast to coast customs. Mean. Got the floating caps in there. Those R's always stay up. So beautiful. Coast to coast. "20-inch Forgiatos, the Infinity Q50. A year, we still working.
Yeah, that's when, this weekend? Probably this weekend. .32s, rear squat, tubbed out, rear range shortened. under construction, but 32s are on it.
Hey boss, is this Pro Charge or is it just straight, just naturally aspirated straight?
US mags.
That's what it sounds
Nasty.
like. That almost sounds like a Pro Charge. I was like, damn, it's an LSX Pro Charge. That bitch will get it. I won't. You prefer turbo or Pro Charge? I like turbo. But Pro Charge power, it's like it's kind of.
You don't need to go super big to be super clean. That's Pirelli's 22-inch Forgiatos, custom painted logos on the calipers. The truck itself speaks for itself. Malibu 24s, Forgiatos, Biofortress Chrome, staggered. Woo. Coming soon, step by step. Just finished up the Maybach Lexani CSS 15 22s. Simple and classy. Little red caliper paint action. "24-inch Forgiatos and Trimestre. Those big XL floating caps. Let's change the whole look of this Infinity. Woo! Sit flush, had the rims in stock. Beautiful. "28-inch American Force. It's huge. "24-inch Asantis. SS. XDs, red dirt road tires, 35, 1250, 20s. On the H3, something simple, clean. Fifth wheel. F450, 28-inch American Force on those fuel tires. Big boys.
Coast #1 rim shop, baby.
What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
Coast #1 rim shop in this world.
Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, brother. Well, how long have you been coming here?
20 plus years.
That's it. Thank you. Woo! Tucking those sixes. Sixes. 26s, 26s.
Enough with the recording, bro.
Yeah. .24-inch staggered Lexani CSS 15, little painted calipers, little painted tips on the Charger. Daytona edition Hemi. Sienna van, 22s, little red calipers. My man can ride, doesn't have to ride stock. This is his fourth set of wheels. It's okay, say what's up.
What's up? Yeah.
You don't want to ride stock of nothing. Because
Exactly.
I ain't riding stock, fuck that.
Right.
22-inch dub baller.